Hello everyone! Modern TVs are getting massive, but let's be honest, those standard plastic feet they come with are often too wide for your furniture or just feel plain flimsy. Whether you're looking for a mobile setup for your home office, a sleek artistic easel, or a heavy-duty cart for a giant 85-inch screen, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 TV stands to help you find the perfect match for your space. Let's dive in. Starting us off at number 5 is the PERLESMITH Universal Tabletop Stand. This is our top pick for furniture-constrained spaces. If you've ever bought a new TV only to realize its legs are wider than your dresser, this is your solution. It replaces those wide factory feet with a single heavy-duty tempered glass base. It's incredibly sleek and supports screens up to 60 inches. What's great here is the flexibility. You get 6 different height levels. This means you can raise the TV high enough to fit a large soundbar underneath or lower it for the perfect eye-level view. It's a 15-minute install that saves you from having to buy a whole new piece of furniture. At number 4, we have something for the design lovers, the ECOTINY tripod easel stand. This is the best for minimalist decor. Instead of a bulky metal rack, this stand uses FSC certified wood and a tripod silhouette that looks like it belongs in an art museum. It's perfect for corners or bedrooms where you don't want a heavy furniture footprint. It fits screens up to 65 inches and features a 45-degree swivel, so you can easily pivot the screen toward your bed or away from window glare. It even has a small wooden tray for your remote or streaming box. Just a tip, if you have active pets, definitely use the included anti-tip safety cord to keep everything secure. Moving to number 3, it's the BONTEC dual-column rolling cart. This is the best for commercial spaces and high-traffic homes. If you're worried about screen wobble, this is the stand for you. Most mobile stands use a single pole, but BONTEC uses a dual-column steel frame that increases stability by nearly 70%. It's a tank. The polyurethane wheels are silent and won't scratch your hardwood, and the integrated cable management keeps all those messy wires hidden inside the frame. It's perfect for offices, classrooms, or families who need to move a large screen between rooms without any stress. Coming in at number 2 is the Perlegear mobile TV cart. This is our best for renters and fitness enthusiasts. If you're a renter who can't drill into the walls, this is the ultimate no-drill mounting solution. It handles everything from a 32-inch monitor up to a massive 82-inch display. The large rubber wheels are some of the best in the business. They glide effortlessly over thick carpets and rugs. We love this for home workouts because you can easily wheel your TV from the living room to your yoga mat or bike. Plus, the AV shelf is height adjustable, making it a great spot for a laptop or a gaming console. And finally, taking the top spot is the Rfiver heavy-duty mobile cart. This is the overall champion for ultra-large screens. As 75 and 85-inch TVs become the new standard, you need a stand that won't flinch under the weight. The Rfiver is an absolute beast with a 150-pound weight capacity. It features a robust trapezoidal base and 2 high-strength wooden shelves that can actually hold heavy AV receivers and gaming consoles. It even includes a secondary safety lock to prevent the TV from ever being bumped off the mount. For anyone investing in a premium, large-scale home theater, this stand offers the best stability, storage, and safety on the market. So, which one fits your home? If you need to save space on a dresser, go with the PERLESMITH. If you want that artistic museum look, the ECOTINY is beautiful. But if you're rocking a massive 85-inch screen and want the best stability possible, the Rfiver is the clear winner. Check the links in the description for the latest availability. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.